Now we will discuss very important topic in this chapter. What is inside our eyes? We see things only when light coming from them enters our eyes. Eye is one of our most important sense of organ. So we here studied, understand its structure and working. The eye has a roughly spherical shape and the outer coat of the eye is white. It is tough to protect the interior of the eye from accidents. Let's see what are the parts of eye. The different parts of the eye are cornea, iris, pupil, lens, ciliary muscles, and retina, nervous cells, optic nerve, blind spot. Let's see different parts of the eye now briefly. Cornea. The transparent part of the eye is called cornea. The cornea having this like in our eyes, this transparent part, light enters through the cornea. The next is iris. Behind the cornea, there is a dark muscular structure called iris. The iris is the part of the eye which gives its distinctive color. Humans having different colors of iris. Some person having blue color, some person having black color, some person having brown color. Different colors of iris having are different humans. The iris controls the amount of light enters into the eye. This point you understand the next topic. In this iris, there is a small opening called the pupil. The size of the pupil is controlled by the iris. More light enters in your eyes, the pupil was shrinked, uncontrolled light. So less light entered in our eyes, the pupil was extended and allowed to more light inside. As the pupil dilates, more light enters the eye. The next part of the eye is lens. Behind the pupil of the eye is a lens which is thicker in the center. The lens is having this like here, this yellow color. This lens is convex lens. The lens focuses light on the back of the eye on a layer called retina. Retina we will discuss forthcoming topics. Okay, yes. The lens allows the eye to focus on either near or distant object. Next is ciliary muscles. The around the lens, one small muscles is having, that is ciliary muscles. It holds the lens and adjusts the focal length of the lens. It helps in changing shape of the lens also. Ciliary muscles relaxed when the lens is focused object distance. Ciliary muscles contrast when the lens focused closed object. The next topic is retina. The lens focuses light on the back of the eye on a layer called retina. The retina contains several nerve cells. The nerve cells, two types of nerves are having cones which are sensitive to bright light and sense color, rods which are sensitive to dim light. Cones and rods having different type of function. A cone where find the different colors, its help to eyes, and rods it is focus object in dim light area. The next topic is optic nerve. Sensation felt by the nerve cells are then transmitted to the brain through the optic nerve. It is connected to eye to brain. The next is blind spot. At the junction of the optic nerve and the retina, there are no sensory cells, so no vision is the possible at that spot. This is called the blind spot.